it sounds like what you're describing is if you take a strategy perspective and a tactics perspective, the strategy is the overall, hey, I'm going to go to school and get an education. And it sounds like you yourself are sometimes would be told, hey, go and do this. And then the tactics of going to do that is almost left up to you. You have a lot of wiggle room in there.
Yeah.
And your growth comes from making those type of decisions.
That's exactly.
I'm going to kind of jump back to what Mary said about opportunities anywhere. I've always been worried that, like, all right, God has this plan for me, and it's very specific, and it's just a list of stepping stones. And I always was like, what if I miss one of the stones? Like,
Ah,
what if I try to do something and it's just like not the right thing that I should do? And I freak out about that because I was like, all right, I know I should go get an education. I know I should go serve a mission. Which one is the right order? But just kind of like what Mary said, I don't believe God is saying this is how you have to do it. It's great that we have the scriptures and prophets to lay out, like, oh, you should get married and you should get a higher education and serve a mission and get a job and do all those things. But I believe God wants us to use our agency to act on what we feel and what information that we have. And so at the time, was it right for me to go to school? Sure. I also believe that I would have been very blessed if I went and served a mission at that time. I don't
awesome.
think if I went and served a mission and didn't go to school that my life would have fallen apart and I would have been a train wreck. Um, Instead, I think that God wants us to be happy and he wants us to feel comfortable with the decisions that we're making. And so if we think about it and we process it and it feels right to us, I don't think God's going to put something in our path I hope this makes sense,